guys, so today I'm going to attempt a new trio that I've never tried. It's going to involve Pink Posy ShadowSense, Onyx ShadowSense, and Sandstone Pearl Shimmer ShadowSense. I'm going to drop a photo next. Pink Posy in transition. As a transition, I'm going to take this big fluffy blending brush and we're just gonna put it right in here. And because I'm pressed for time, and this is a quick tip for you, beauty tip, when you're pressed for time, I wouldn't do dramatic, like deep looks. So I'm going very lightly with the product today, because the more product you use, the more you have to blend out, and it just becomes a whole thing. So because I'm trying to keep this under 10 minutes, nice light color. This is again grabbing just from the wand, so you can see the color payoff of ShadowSense is incredible, because this is it isn't even going full blown with the saturated color on there. And again, amazing part of it is that you can do this so quick and not worry about any fallout at all. Okay, just blending that color out. And then what I'm gonna wanna do is I'm gonna take that color down on my lower lash lid as well. Two ways you could do it. You can take the applicator and just run it down there, but I'm just gonna take this little brush and take some product and then just run it down here. Like that, so easy. Blends out really nicely. And then this, running some shadow, smudging out your lower lash line really defines your eye a little bit more. It opens it up. So that's why I do that step. Okay, so just make sure, I'm gonna look in my mirror behind you guys. Just make sure that is nice and blended and even before we go in with the scary color. We're gonna go in with some Onyx, which is our black ShadowSense. A lot of us use it for eyeliner or winged liner. It's just like a gel. It is cream to powder, and then it dries down as a powder. Super easy to use. I personally have never used it as an actual shadow. So let's grab the right brush. And I think for my light, I'm gonna take this tapered, like pinched brush just to get it right in that outer crease and kind of keep it there. So off the wand, a little bit of product, not a lot. And by doing this motion, you're just kind of like working the product in your brush. You can always pat it on a towel or on the back of your hand. And we're just gonna go right in, trying to keep control of this black by just laying it right in your outer V and crease. And this definitely is going to define the eye and give it a more sultry look. You can go back with your other brush, this one, and just blend it all together. See that? So we're gonna go a little bit more. Just right in that outer corner. And I don't really want to wing it out. I'm keeping it right, like, right there. So not so much a V, but like a U. And you can even come and run it down here, just for symmetry and cohesiveness. Yeah, not bad at all. So now we're going to go with your other eye. Again, just working the product into the brush. And then we're going to keep it right in that outer corner, outer V.
Mommy said I'm watching.
You want to watch me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can watch me.
Okay.
Just right there.
Right there? I love it right there.
You like that color?
Yeah, but that color is blue, so I like the blue color right there.
Yeah.
And the dark purple, like a dark pink purple.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a dark pink purple. And who brought your earrings?
I think Kayla got me these.
Oh, again?
Yeah, she's so nice.
So you got three. So, do you think those fit you?
Yeah, do you think they fit me?
I don't think so.
Guys, that is it for this look. All we have left is our Sandstone Pearl Shimmer, which is our highlights color.
And then
a highlight color is usually either placed right in the center or on your brow bone or inner corner. So, I think I want a little bit more pink posy to pop through. Let me go back. Hold on. Just real quick. We're at the 6.5 minute mark, so we're still good. Yeah, I want a little bit more pink posy to pop through right there. Like that.
What is that?
This is eyeshadow, baby.
It's eyeshadow.
Yeah, it's called ShadowSense.
Shadow what?
Sense. ShadowSense.
What are
It's
those?
eyeshadow that makes sense. Oh, I love it.
Would you love this brush?
Love it. Love it. Okay, it's a little bit easier to control the product this way. And we're going to grab it and just lay it right in the center like this. Some people refer to this as spotlight or halo. Not really halo because I would have deepened the inner corner. But I just think it's a classic eyeshadow look, to be honest. And you can bring it into your inner corner like this. Just blending the two colors together nicely. Now a lot of people stop at the crease, but because you can, as you can see, I have a hooded eye. I like the look to kind of go up higher, so I go a little bit higher. Everyone is different. There is no right or wrong way, depending on your own eye anatomy. So I like it to kind of go higher. Because the only way you could really show it off is when you close your eye, and that's not the point. And then we're going to go ahead and do this side. Same thing. Blending the color into that onyx that we laid down and into the pink posy up here. So easy, you guys. Again, there you go, you guys. That is the final look. I am obsessed with it. What a little mascara does, right? It just opens up the eyes. I am wearing LipSense in Bella in First Love, and if you didn't know what LipSense is all about, it's pretty much the lipstick that stays on 4 to 18 hours, and it does this, you guys. It does not come off. So if you want to order some, definitely give your girl a little, send her a message, and I will get you some to you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed.